Replacing the battery in your iPhone is the easiest thing in the world, and it has a substantial effect on your resale value. How do I do it, I hear you ask? Well, let me show you right now. The Giga Infixo battery replacement kit contains everything you need. A high-quality battery and all the necessary tools. To be on the safe side, you should back up all your data prior to replacing the battery in your iPhone. Create a backup via iTunes or iCloud before we start. First, turn off your phone. Then, remove these two screws on the bottom of the frame. Now open the phone using the suction cup from our toolkit. Place it here near the bottom and pull carefully until the display comes out of the frame. Once it's lifted up a little, use the metal plectrum to carefully pry it open further. Fold the display up just far enough to be able to access these two screws. Remove the metal cover and use the plastic spatula to detach this connector from the logic board. Remove the battery from the phone using either this plastic strap or the green spudger from our toolkit. Install the replacement battery. If the remaining adhesive won't hold it in place, just use 2 strips of double-sided tape from the toolkit. Attach the connector to the logic board and secure it with a metal cover and 2 screws. Fold the display back down and press it into the frame. Start up here by the speaker and work your way down towards the home button. Make sure the screen is flush with the frame on all sides and that there are no gaps. Finally, secure it with 2 screws on the bottom of the device. That's it. You now have a brand new battery in your iPhone 5.